day.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, I just want to cover two things quickly. First of all, if you are wanting to join my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screens. And second of all, I just want to start by saying a massive congratulations to everyone in my Signal team. So much positivity going around in my group at the moment. I've been receiving really nice, kind messages, and we've done really well in September. September's probably been our best month so far this year. And it's kind of what I want to talk about during today's trading during this video. And the whole month of September, I've said that the last week we are going to be going into this capitulation phase. The last week of September going through into the first week of October. Next week is when I expect a tradable bottom to be made going into the end of 2022, meaning I do not expect us to break below next week's lows. That's very significant, especially if you are a short to medium term trader. Now, what we've got here is an Elliott wave pattern playing out, where we've got the we've had that 0 to 1. We're currently having the third leg, and now we're just having that fourth leg upwards, and then eventually we're going to have that fifth leg that breaks below the third. So that's what I'm kind of looking for here in the S&P 500, and we saw signs of it yesterday with a nice rally of approximately 2% in the S&P 500. Now, we were buyers yesterday in my Signal team, and we made a significant amount of money in the Nasdaq 100 and the Dow Jones 30. And then last night we closed those buyers out, and we actually started selling the market, and now and those positions are now making some nice profit as well. So the question is, where do I expect this fifth wave to go? I think that we will go and pierce below the third wave and potentially go as low as 3,575 to 3,600. Now that is a price where I am going to be a very big buyer here in all futures, the Nasdaq, the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones 30. And I expect us to hit that price probably going into tomorrow, maybe Monday, Tuesday. But as of Wednesday next week, I really do expect the tide to turn here and for the indices to start being super bullish. So next week, of course, is the start of a new quarter. It's Q4, and Q4 historically is a very bullish quarter, not just on the presidential cycle, but of course because we're entering into a midterm election year, and historically these quarters have performed very, very well. So all the way from October until January, February time, I'm going to be super bullish here for the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, and the Dow Jones 30. So big turn in the markets coming tomorrow. You heard it here first. Make sure you keep an eye out. But before we take off to the races, I think that we do need to go and create one final low, just briefly below 3,600.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.